When we come home for lunch, this is what we find. All the energy to come out of her crate. All the disposition to be taken outside. As you can see, she's a very hyper dog. And if you touch her, you're gonna get some weird noises coming. It's almost like a Ehawk. Huh? You tired? Yeah. Tired? You gonna go potty outside? Let's go.